Hey there, Jason DePaoli here from the trainsedge.co.uk and soon to be the Edge Strength and Conditioning that's coming real soon. So something I'm just going to quickly touch upon this video is these Facebook and Instagram influencers, PTs that are filming their own clients. I know, I can understand why they're doing it. I've seen a lot of them doing it. It's just to put them out on Instagram and stories so they're going to market themselves because they think they're the best new PT around. I can understand it. I used to do it myself. I don't do it much anymore. I do a lot of people online training and at home training, and I don't film people at home because it's their private home, so I don't do it. I might in the future do more client videos when I get my own facility because I'm more in control of it, but really I'm just a little bit getting sick and tired of seeing all these PTs, all these new young PTs thinking they're the best, just doing all these filming the clients, most of them with poor technique. And if you're going to film your client, you just make sure the technique for the client is spot on. No one's going to be 100% perfect, but you've got to make sure it's spot on before you post it, because I see so many PTs and fitness influencers just filming themselves and clients with just really poor and bad form. It's just absolutely shocking, and unfortunately that's the way the industry's going. So if you like this video, please like and share. But if you want to seriously get fit, seriously want to get stronger, come and contact me, because I've got 15 years of experience, 10,000 hours or plus of workouts with clients. So about this, I'm walking past, so someone's drilling. Hope you can hear me still. But yeah, 10,000 plus hours over 15 years of training clients. So I have got the experience for anyone to get their technique almost spot on, but it does take time. So if you like this video, please like and share, and I shall see you on another video coming soon. Cheers.